This guide will walk you through 4 different ways to forward text messages on Android, ensuring you can choose the method that best suits your needs. Part 1. How to do text forwarding on Android directly. The easiest and quickest way to forward a text message on Android is by using the direct forwarding feature built into the messaging app. Step 1. From your Android gadget, go to the Messages menu and look for the SMS that you want to forward. Step 2. Tap and hold the SMS until the message is highlighted with a particular color. Tap all the messages you need to forward. Step 3. Continue holding the highlighted SMS for a few seconds until the pop-up window comes up. Several other options. Step 4. From the pop-up screen, tap on the forward option and start adding the contacts you need to forward your SMS to. If the contact number isn't on your contact list, you can add it manually. Tap on the send icon after selecting all recipients. You will receive a delivery report indicating whether the message was sent successfully or failed if you have enabled the message status feature. Part 2. How to forward text messages on Android via copying and pasting. Step 1. Open the Messages app and find the text message you want to forward. Step 2. Tap and hold on the message bubble you want to forward until the copy options appear. Step 3. Select Copy from the options. Step 4. Open a new message thread or the conversation where you want to forward the message. Step 5. Tap and hold in the message text field and select Paste. Step 6. Once the text appears, tap Send to forward the message. Part 3. How to forward text messages on Android by Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant allows you to manage, backup, and forward text messages from your Android device directly on your computer. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster Android Assistant on your Mac or PC. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the PC or Mac via USB cable or Wi-Fi. Step 3. From the left panel, select the SMS option. All SMSs in your device will be displayed on the right panel. Step 4. Locate the SMS thread and choose the message you want to forward. Then, click the arrow icon to forward to any other contacts you want right away. Part 4. How to achieve text message forwarding for Android with SMS Forwarder. SMS Forwarder allows you to set up automatic forwarding rules, saving time when forwarding messages. Step 1. Go to the Google Play Store and search for SMS Forwarder. Step 2. Tap Install to download and install the app on your Android device. Step 3. Open SMS Forwarder once it's installed and navigate to the Filters section within the app. Step 4. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to add a new filter. Step 5. Select SMS to indicate that you want to forward text messages. Step 6. Enter the phone number or email address where you want to forward the SMS. Step 7. Tap Save in the top right corner to confirm the settings. Step 8. You'll need to sign in with your Google account or configure the forwarding via SMTP Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. If you're not familiar with SMTP, the easier option is to sign in using your Google account. Step 9. After signing in, you will receive a test email or message to confirm that the forwarding setup is working correctly. Make sure to verify the test message to ensure everything is set up as expected. If you're concerned about sharing personal information, you can use Quo to automatically forward incoming texts to your email instead of a third-party service.